everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, I am sharing with you how I edit my Instagram pictures because a lot of you have asked what filter I use and kind of how I do it, so I thought I would break it down step by step on how I edit them. It's pretty simple, it doesn't take very much time, and it's just a fun thing to play around with. I don't take it too seriously, but I just like to have a cohesive Instagram feed. But with all that being said, let's just hop right into it. So I'm going to be editing a few different photos for you so you can see the before and after and how the lighting and the colors depend on the picture, but they still come together and look cohesive. So we're just going to open my pics and video folder and open Lightroom Mobile. So this is what I use to edit all of my pictures. As you can see, I have them all like right here. So I'm going to import. I'm gonna go to my folder. Let's begin with this photo of Morris and I. This is from St. Martin on Christmas, I believe. Yes, Christmas. We got a catamaran and it was so much fun. So I actually made my own preset and I just named it Bright Neutral, but we are going to do everything manually so I can show you step by step how I made that preset, and if you want to copy it, you're more than welcome to because I don't sell presets. I'm not an expert in any of that field. So first we're going to click on the light tab and we're going to change the exposure to plus 50. Alright, then we're going to take highlight and we're going to dim it down to minus 0.52. Shadows is plus 60. So this just brightens everything up, makes such a big difference. Whites plus 40. And blacks minus 25. Then we're going to head over to the color tab and we are going to bring the temperature up plus 5, ever so slightly. The tint is going to be plus 4, and then saturation is going to be minus 10. Now is the fun part, and this is what really makes the biggest difference for a preset and changes the overall look of a picture, and that is this mix button right in the top right. And what I like about Lightroom Mobile so much is that you can manipulate each color in the photo. First, we're going to start off with the red. So hue is going to be plus 20. Okay, I can't get it to 20. Saturation plus 35. And luminance minus 20. Then we're going to orange. Orange is going to be hue minus 12, saturation plus 10, and luminance minus 20. Yellow, hue minus 65, saturation minus 80, and luminance plus 20. Green minus 5, saturation plus 50, and plus 80. We're not doing anything for the light blue. We're skipping to dark blue. Hue negative 35, plus 10, and plus 60. Purple, the only thing we're doing is changing the hue, plus 12. And pink, hue plus 5, saturation plus 20, and luminance plus 20. So that is how I make my preset. And another thing I like to do is go over to detail and just sharpen the picture a little bit. And I change the noise reduction a little bit and the color noise reduction, which that I just kind of eyeball. I don't have a set number really. And as you can see, this is the before and the after, which makes a humongous difference. If you want to create a preset, you're going to go to the three dots in the top right, click create preset, make sure everything is checked, and then you're going to name the preset Instagram filter and save. So now you can copy that preset onto all your pictures. And for every single picture, I modify the preset slightly so that I make it more what I want it to look like. And that is basically it. Now let's move on to the next photo. So we're gonna choose this picture. We're gonna go over to presets, go to Instagram filter. And this one honestly looks really good without even modifying it, but we're just gonna go in and change the colors slightly. So yeah, I really like how that one looks. And we're gonna choose a few more photos just to give you a better idea. So we have done 6 photos now, and I just wanted to show you guys what they all look like together. I'm just going to import them into Unum so you could see how they would potentially fit with my current feed. So we're just going to highlight and select all of them, import, and just kind of move them around. And as you can see, they fit really well with my feed, and I didn't really adjust the presets too much. The only one that I would probably go back and touch up a little bit is the picture of Morris and I, the color of the water, but even still I think that they all look very cohesive and go together quite nice. That concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Maybe if some of you were looking to step up your Insta game, I hope this gave you inspiration or helped you create a preset that you're gonna like. I really like my Instagram to be very bright and colorful, but you can do so many different things with the Lightroom mobile app. So just play around with it and have fun. But thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please, please, please stay home and stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.